Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving through the Hillman area or the Charlton area. We're going to drive through the Charlton Gully. So we're on Hillman Road now. On the left is the Super Value Town Center. And this is Hillman Road. It's a residential area, a lot of townhouses back here. And as we've said on numerous videos, this is a new norm to convert these homes into apartment buildings. Okay, so this is Charlton Road. So we're going to turn right and go down to Charlton Gully and drive through the gully. Today is a nice sunny day in Jamaica. However, when it rains, this gully is flooded. But we have videos up so you can look at it to see what it looks like when it's raining. Okay, this building on the right now was recently built. Is it this one? Yeah, this building. Very nice building. But we're not going to go there. There was a story about the building, but we're not going to go into that. Okay, this is Charlton Gully now. It's a very wide gully, and when it rains, most times this gully is impassable. Alright, so we're heading back to Shortwood Road now. If we turn left here, we would go into the Allardyce area, and that would also take us back to Olivier Road. If we go straight, that will take us back to the Allardyce area, and we're staying on this road and heading towards Shortwood Road. As you can see, a lot of townhouse or apartment buildings. Alright, so we're heading back to the road straight ahead now is Shortwood Road, and this is the Grandspin area. Alright, so on the left you have the Shortwood Professional Center, which is commercial buildings. Very, very nice facility. A lot of offices over there. That's the Total gas station on the right. We're going to turn left and go on to Grandspin Road at this intersection. So if we go straight, we will take Shortwood Road towards Waterloo Road and then eventually Constant Spring Road, but we're turning left here and going onto Grandspin Road and heading down towards Barbican Road. So this is the Grandspin area. A very large community. That's the Grandspin police station on the right. It's one of the newer police stations. It's like a community center over there built around the police station. Alright, so this is Shortwood Road now. If we go straight, we go on to... Sorry, this is Barbican Road. If we go straight, we're going to the Drumblair area, but we're going to turn left and go on to Barbican Road and head up towards Barbican Square. Alright, so we turn left. At this intersection, we're going to Arcadia Drive, but we're going straight and heading towards Barbican Square. As you can see, Barbican Road was recently renovated. It's a very nice dual carriageway. And this is a model of how all the main roads in Jamaica should look one day. Very nicely done. Have to really give the government credit. They are really working on these main roads. Okay, at this intersection, if we turn left, we would go onto Russell Heights Road, and that takes us into the Russell Heights area. But we are going to go straight and stay on Barbican Road. Alright, so we're entering Barbican Square now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.